Today's video is Victoria blows air horn, orange blossom and lemon meringue / grounded.
It's sure nice today at Park from Autumn. This is, right, lemon meringue?
Yes, I can't wait till we can start some picnic at lunch.
Wow, lemon meringue, that was very adorable. Now let's start some picnic at lunch.
I'll have some chicken sandwich, apple, banana, orange juice, chicken salad, biscuits, and vanilla pudding from lunch.
Yeah, we can meet at picnic at lunch.
I'm going to blow air horn at Park from Autumn. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my gosh, Victoria Peterson, why did you blow air horn at the Park from Autumn? Now everyone is going to be mad at you thanks to you.
That's it. We'll call your parents about what you did. Go home, right now.
No 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 no, please don't call my parents. I'm sorry about what you did at blow air horn today.
Nope. Sorry is not going to like anything. Now, get out of my side, right now, or else I'm calling the cops on you. Go now.
Wow.
Victoria, 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 get over right now. Victoria, how dare you blow air horn at Park from Autumn for orange blossom and lemon meringue? You should know that was very disrespectful.
That's it. You are grounded for 42 days.
Now, go to your room right now and you're ready to apologize for orange blossom and lemon meringue.
Wow.